Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Google Classroom couldn't attach file. Can't attach a file in Google Classroom? This usually happens due to browser glitches, permissions, or temporary cache issues. First, try attaching your file normally by clicking Add or Create, then File, then selecting the file from your computer to see if it uploads correctly. If you get an error, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies, since corrupted site data can block uploads. After clearing them, reload Google Classroom, sign back into your account, and try attaching that file again. If the problem continues, use Google Drive as a workaround. Upload your file directly to Drive using the same Google account linked to Classroom. Once uploaded, go back to Classroom, click Add or Create, and then Google Drive, and select the file from there. This method usually bypasses upload errors and ensures your file attaches successfully. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.